Have you ever heard the term rinse and wondered what it means? Today, let's dive into the meaning and significance of this versatile word. According to the Oxford English Dictionary, rinse is a verb that means to wash something lightly, typically with water. It's a common term used in various contexts, from cleaning dishes to hair care. But did you know that rinse can also have a broader meaning? In the music industry, rinse is often used to describe the act of playing a song or track repeatedly. This is a technique used by DJs to gauge audience reaction and popularity. Interestingly, the term rinse has also found its way into the world of finance. A rinse trade is a strategy where an investor buys and sells a security repeatedly to generate trading volume and liquidity. So, as you can see, the meaning of rinse goes beyond just washing something. It's a versatile term that has evolved to describe various practices and techniques across different industries. Understanding the nuances of this word can be quite useful.